Hi guys, welcome to Itza Nails. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you this little contraption that I just got. It is from Young Nails and it is the dust collector. Now I've already tried it and used it with one hand. As you can see, there is a difference in nail designs. So I'm going to use this right now to remove this old set, and then just so that you could see and hear the loudness. So for starters, let me just show you. It's a really nice, compact, light, it's a very light dust collector. This right here that you see on top is kind of like the lid, for lack of a better term, but it's magnetic. It has this little lip right here on the side. You just lift it very easily, and what's nice is as soon as you lift it, it does not allow this to turn on. Okay, so I'm pushing the button and it doesn't turn on. So I'm going to put it right back on, and then now you can turn it on, but I'll show you that in a bit. So I remove the lid. It is magnetic. It has on the two on each side, as you can see. And then this is the filter. It's also very easily lifted. And then here you see the actual fan. Okay, and I'm going to just set this back down, put the lid right on top, and I'm going to turn it on so you can hear the sound that this makes. And that's really it. That's the loudness of the fan. As you can see, it's not that loud. It might sound louder than it in reality is because the microphone of the camera might be picking that sound up and emphasizing it even more. But in person, I can definitely tell you that this is relatively quiet. It's a very nice humming sound, perfect white noise. And I do think that my electric nail file makes more noise. In brief, because I'm sure you want to know, I do like it. I love it. I love it a lot, actually. It does its job. It is better suction right in the middle, as that is where the fan is. You still get some suction on the side, but the most is right centered in the middle. It's comfortable. I do wish there was like grooves or something where I could place my hands and it would be more comfortable. I know usually you would be doing this on somebody else, but I got it for myself. I'm in a limited space and I cannot deal with all the dust. And so this does help a lot with the dust. There was, I would say, 80 to 90% less dust around my workstation. And I do feel like this sucked in a lot of it. And I do like how easy it is to remove this and to remove the filter. There's no bags. It dumps out very easily. They do recommend to replace the filter around every 3 months. Of course, I'm assuming it can go a little longer if you don't use it on a daily, like a normal nail tech would. Since I'm just doing it on myself and my daughter, I don't really have to change it exactly at the 3 months, but that's the recommended time. But let's get on to the nitty gritty and show you how this thing actually works. And then turn this on.
So I'm not sure you can actually see it on camera. I tried my best to position, but the dust is so fine that it's hard to pick up. However, let me just tell you, this dust collector did its job. It sucked in the majority of the dust. Since this dust is very fine, it's so easy for it to just fly up in the air. So that's why I'm kind of happy that you can't even really see it. There are moments you can see it on camera, but in person, you can definitely see the difference. It's being sucked in as fast as it's coming out of the nail, and there's no, not as much dust floating around in the air or like on my table as before when I didn't have this dust collector. So all in all, I do recommend it. I think it's fairly priced. If you want, you can take advantage of the sales. They usually have like Black Friday sales on youngnails.com. But even if it's not with those special pricing, I think the starting point is decently priced at $175 plus your shipping and tax, whatnot. But it's decently priced. However, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll try to answer to the best of my knowledge. Subscribe if you haven't done so, like this video, and I'll see you at the next one.